Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful pricing page using React.js, or you can use that in Next.js project also, and that is totally responsive. I will show you. So without any wastage of timing, let's see what we are going to see today. I've already opened that to avoid any wastage of timing and see the effect of pricing page. Like this, I kept some default items here, and here the pricing per month in dollar also, and this effect. Okay, and this is trial pack, so I kept it size small as compared to this like premium pack or any spaghetti pack. Okay, and see the effect, and it is totally responsive. Like I will show you the responsiveness. See, in the mobile view it is vertically. Okay, and that nice effect guys, and you can customize it according to your project. Customize this all things. If you want four cards like this, just copy and paste the code, repeat it, you will get four card like this. And you can put title here also, pricing page, and change the name of trial plan. These all things. Okay, that's not a big task. You can do these all things. You can change the color, you can change the icons, you can change the design, everything. You can change the animation effect. Okay, so I will go through the code part also. And guys, if you think I am providing some good content to you, so please support my channel also. Okay, I will show you the code. I have already opened it. Here is the JXS code. I do not use any third party for this. Okay, and for icons I'm using SVG icons. Okay, like these icons, I'm talking about these icons. It's check icons and this icon. Okay, you can download SVG icons from any platform. There are a lot of social platforms from where you can download these icons. And if you want to use any React icons or any other thing, you can also do that. Okay, here is the JSX part. That's a small code. I do not need to explain anything because that's a simple code. Okay, if you know HTML, you can easily understand this all things. Okay, and here is the commented out CSS for this. Okay, pricing page CSS styling start, and I commented out in the same file this CSS part. Just uncomment it and use it in your project. Okay, that's all guys. That's not a too much big project. That's a small project. Okay, and guys, if you think you can create this by yourself, just go for it. You will learn a lot of things. Otherwise I will help you in a minimal amount, only 5 rupees. Okay, I am not asking for a big amount, just 5 rupees for my hard work, for my continuity, for this work. Okay, for my effort, so that I can continue this channel and my work. Okay, I'm just asking for, just pay me 5 rupees. WhatsApp me the WhatsApp me which code you want, which video code you want. I will send you the source code file. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks a lot.